Okay. Hello and namaste. I welcome Honorable Principal Ma'am, fellow teachers in this session. Greetings to all on 6th International Yoga Day. This day is celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015. The Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, has initiated and proposed 21st June as this day is the longest day in Northern Hemisphere. The theme for International Yoga Day is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Yoga is an ancient heritage of India. It has physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Regular practice of yoga reduces stress, increases immunity, cure many diseases, and it focuses on self-healing. Yoga is a golden key that unlocks the door to tranquility, peace, and joy. Let's start the session. All these yogasans will be demonstrated by Shruti ma'am. I request all the participants to pin Shruti ma'am's video. This can be done by double tapping on the screen. Let's chant the mantra. Join both your hands, eyes closed. Om Sangchadvam Sangdadvam Samvo Manasi Janatam Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Sanjanana Upasate. Keep your hands down, eyes closed. Slowly open your eyes. Stand up straight. Get ready for loosening practices. Loosening practices increases microcirculation in our joints. Feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Hands on your waist. First, we will start with neck exercise. Inhale, neck up. Exhale, neck down. Inhale, neck up. Exhale, neck down. Come in center. Second exercise, sideward bending. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Bend your neck. Inhale, come in center. Exhale, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Come in center. Both hands down. Normal breathing pattern. Full arm rotation. Clockwise. Start. 1, 2. Anti-clock. 1, 2. Both hands on your waist. Get ready for waist rotation. Comfortable distance between your legs. Start. 1, 2. Reverse. 2, 1. Stand straight. Hands on your knees. Get ready for knee rotation. 1, 2. Reverse. 2, 1. Keep your hands down. Stand straight. Get ready for asanas. First asana is Tadasana, which is also known as palm tree pose. It increases height and very good for spine flexibility. Distance between 2 to 3 inches, both the feet. Interlock your fingers. Slowly inhale, Take both arms above your head and heels above the ground. Come up. Maintain for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, come down. Rest for a while. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Get ready for tree pose or Vrikshasana. Distance between both the legs. Bend right leg on left thigh. Heel should touch the perineum. Gaze at any one point on the wall. Both hands up above your head. Form Namaskar Mudra. Maintain for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. Relax for a while. This asana increases concentration and balance the brain. Repeat the process from another leg. Bend left leg on your right thigh. Take both arms above your head slowly. Maintain for 5 seconds. Normal breathing pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come down. Relax for a while. Persons suffering from obesity, osteoarthritis should do it with a caution. Ardha Chakrasana or half wheel pose. Distance between both the legs should be around 2 to 3 feet. Hold your waist from both the hands, thumb facing forward and fingers facing backward. Inhale and slowly bend from the waist. Maintain for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale. Come down. Come to the normal position. Relax for a while. Deep inhale and exhale. This asana improves lung capacity. Persons who are having cervical spondylosis should do it with a caution. Fourth asana is Padhastasana or hand to toe pose. Distance between both the legs should be 2 to 3 inches. Raise both arms above your head. Inhale up. Slowly exhale. Come down. Try to touch your toes from your feet, from your hands, sorry. Maintain for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale. Come up. Rest for a while. Deep inhale. Exhale. This asana increases blood circulation in brain and reduces stress and anxiety. People with backache should not practice this asana. Let's now move to sitting postures. Sit in Sukhasana. Now we are moving towards Bhadra Asana. Bhadra means firm. Put the soles of your feet together and clasp your hands with your toes. Pull your heels as close as possible. Stay here for 5 seconds. Eyes closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your legs. Relax in Vishramasana or Dandasana. This asana keeps the body firm and stabilizes the mind. It is a good asana for urogenital disorders. Avoid this practice in case of arthritis. Now sit in Vajrasana as we used to sit in namaz. This is the only asana which can be done after meals. Deep inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Get ready for Ardha Ushtrasana or camel pose. Ushtra means camel in Hindi. Stand on your heels. Keep palms on your waist with the finger pointing downwards. Inhale, bend the head back and maintain for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, come up. Put your hands down and sit in Vajrasana. Relax for a while. It is a good asana for asthma. Avoid this asana in case of hernia, abdominal injuries and ulcers. Shashankasana or hare pose. Spread both the knees wide apart. Keep the toes touching. Keep the palms between the knees. Exhale and bend forward and place the chin on the ground. Look in front and maintain the posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come up. Sit in Vajrasana. Open your legs. Sit in Vishram Asana or in Dandasana. This asana reduces stress and anger. Person with osteoarthritis should do it with a caution. Deep inhale, exhale, deep inhale and exhale. Now let's get ready for prawn series of asana. Lie down on your stomach. We are doing Bhujang Asana, which is also known as Cobra pose or snake pose. Keep both hands beside your chest. Inhale, lift the chin and chest up to the navel region. Maintain for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly exhale and come in Makrasana, which is also known as crocodile pose. Lie on your stomach with feet apart, feet pointing down outwards. Rest your head in your hands and relax in Makrasana. Bhujang Asana is good for backache and asthma. Makrasana is a relaxative posture in prawn series of asanas. Let's sit straight. We will be doing pranayams. Sit in any comfortable posture. First pranayam is Bhastrika Pranayam, which is also known as bellow breath breathing. This pranayam increases oxygen supply in our brain, increases our immunity power, and is an excellent asana for fighting disease like corona. Make a fist by both your hands. While inhaling, hands will go up, and while exhaling, hands will come down. We will do this pranayam 3 times. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Relax. Both hands in Gyan Mudra. Deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. People suffering from hypertension, heart ailments, and hernia should do it with a caution. Second pranayam is a Bhramari pranayam. Bhramari word is derived from Sanskrit word Bhramar, which means black bee. In this, buzzing sound comes from the nose. We inhale normally, and while exhaling, sounds like black bee comes from the nose. Press your ears from the thumbs. First finger on eyes, second fingers on nose, third and fourth finger on your lips. Inhale. Both hands down. Relax in Gyan Mudra. Try to maintain normal breathing pattern. This pranayam is good for ear disorders and improves concentration. Now we will be chanting Om for 3 times. Inhale. Om. 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 Rub both your palms. Keep them on your eyes. Slowly press your eyes. Keep the hands down. Open your eyes. Practice these yogasans daily. Let's make yoga more popular worldwide and keep our planet healthy. Thank you so much. I request Madam Principal to give us all a message.
So that was really very wonderful. Thank you so much, Shruti ma'am and Vibhuti ma'am. The asanas that we did were truly refreshing and invigorating. And I'm very happy that a lot of us are here today. How many of us are here today? Okay.
30.
That's good. 30. Okay, that's really nice that 30 of us are here today to join in this session of yoga. And it was very well conducted, very well done. I'm happy. Thank you so much. It was indeed very refreshing to do it. And I think it's important to do it every day, especially during the lockdown period. And the official hashtag for this year is do yoga at home. And I think that's, yes, it's very important because everybody has had very limited movements in these days. And to do these kind of asanas is surely very good. So once again, thank you so much, Sher Singh sir, Shruti ma'am, Vibhuti ma'am. Thank you so much for leading this session. We enjoyed it, and I'm sure the other teachers have also enjoyed it. Would somebody like to say anything?
Thank you for joining us, ma'am.
Right. Is anybody wanting to say anything? Any of the teachers who are here
Yes,
for
ma'am.
this? Yes,
ma'am. We
Sweta
are
ma'am.
blessed to have this session, and
Yes.
thanks for your innovative efforts. Every time we come up with beautiful uh, ideas, and this is the most loved one session, and we all feel so uh, relaxed, and all the stresses and all the toxins which we were building up during this lockdown have been relieved, and we feel happy and relaxed. Thank you, and all of you have a wonderful yoga day, and greetings to all of you. Thank you
I
so
think
much.
I must, Suveda ma'am, for this I must specially thank Shri Singh sir, Vibhuti ma'am and Shriti ma'am, because I kind of gave up. I said, let it be a pre-recorded video, but they said, no, let us do it. And we'll definitely do a good one. And for sure, let me give a digital clap to them.
Yes, yes.
Well
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
It was very nicely done. Thank you so much.
Thank
We
you,
are
ma'am.
blessed that
Thank
we
you,
have
ma'am.
such a wonderful family under your guidance. Wonderful family. Blessed.
Each and every member is really good. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you. Thank you. Have a
Thank you.
lovely day today. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.
You
Good
too.
morning.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.